Congratulations, Wilson Quintana. Congratulations from Ginubatan, Albay, Sir Wilson.
Dito yan sa Balangibang resort ko yan. Third place, Wilson Quintana.
Thank you. Our first runner-up this year, the boys of Balangibang 2024, garnering the average score of 92.3%. Congratulations! Congratulations from Tabaco City, Augusto Cuban. Congratulations, and now, people of Barangay Balangibang, this year, the Voice of Balangibang 2024, garnering the average score of 93.3%. Will reach 3,000 pesos. Congratulations to
Boy Vincent.
Boy Wilson. Thank you very much. Congratulations to all the winners. And sa lahat ng non-winners, please claim your consolation prizes here worth 200 pesos. And thank you for joining. Mabuhay po kayong lahat and God bless you all. Viva San Isidro Labrador!
Consolation po, sir. Hindi, yan.
3, 2, 1.
Ay, baliktad na ulit. Ako ulit na. Ako ulit na.